Hello, I'm Dan Galpin for The Developer Show. This is your weekly update on the coolest developer news from Google. We released the 4th developer preview of Android 11. Beta 1 will be released on June 3rd, along with an online event, Android 11 The Beta Launch Show. We'll be kicking off at 11 a.m. Eastern Time with Dave Burke, sharing talks later that day that we'd originally planned for Google I/O on topics such as Jetpack Compose, Android Studio, and Google Play, and wrapping it up with a post-show live Q&A. Tweet your hashtag AskAndroid questions to get them answered live. Check out the post to learn more about the developer preview, and sign up to receive updates on the beta launch show. We're extending the deprecation timeline for JSON-RPC and global HTTP batch endpoints to August 12, 2020, after it came to our attention that highly impacted customers may not have received the notification. There will be scheduled downtime for global batch and JSON-RPC throughout this timeline to help identify systems that depend on these deprecated features. Head on over to the post for more details. We announced Flutter 1.17, our first stable release of 2020. It includes Metal support for faster iOS performance, new material components, new network tracking tooling, and mobile performance and size improvements, along with an unprecedented number of fixes. Check out the post to learn more. We released version 2.8 of the Dart SDK with faster package tools, a new tool for ensuring package dependencies never go stale, and breaking changes that pave the way for null safety. Head on over to the post for more details, along with instructions on how to bring your dependencies up to date. We launched new capabilities to help access stream analytics, including streaming pipelines developed directly within the BigQuery web UI with general availability of Dataflow SQL, Dataflow integrations with AI Platform, and enhanced monitoring capabilities with observability dashboards. Check out the post to learn more. We introduced Web Vitals, unified guidance for quality signals that we believe are essential to delivering a great user experience on the web. To make it easy for you to measure core Web Vitals performance for your sites, we launched an open-source Web Vitals JavaScript library, which can be used with any analytics provider that supports custom metrics. To learn more about all the ways we're helping you provide actionable insights, head on over to the post. The Tekton open source project released its beta open source framework for creating continuous integration and delivery systems, allowing developers to build, test, and deploy across cloud providers and on-premise systems. See how to install Tekton into your Kubernetes cluster and more on the post. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and stay safe. I'm Dan Galpin for The Developer Show. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. And that was your moment of Zen.